going on, YouTube? And we here with a little video. It's your boy Day and my old lady. What's going on with y'all?
Hey y'all, hey.
We're actually, on the way to the Lake Fest, a little festival in the town next to where we live at. We're gonna see what's going on out here and to find some of that food they got. We gonna do some food truck eating today. We're gonna find something good to eat for y'all. Good. How y'all doing out there too? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment below, ping it.
So every time we post. How many of y'all are warehouse workers?
Right.
Raise your hands. Don't all, shout at once. You can comment down below where you worked at, or if you have worked at a warehouse, you can also comment that as well. Because y'all, those who do work at a warehouse or have worked at a warehouse, y'all know how hard it is. From early mornings.
Shout out to the warehouse workers. Because I'm one too. So I'm in the boat. I know the struggle. Early in the morning, Sometimes it gets stressful, Sometimes you just can't wait till the lights go out. It be like that sometimes.
Like when you wait, you gonna have to some people gonna take that and run with it. Like, what do you mean?
Oh nah, they know what I'm talking about.
They probably built that house up. That's cute.
Oh yeah, that's a nice spot.
Mm-hmm.
They ready to get the cable set up. I see the Xfinity out there and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I wonder what this food is like it's gonna be. I don't know. It might be a little bit packed up there. Shit, a lot of cars heading this way.
Mm-hmm. Very much so. Seen 3 of them just past me.
Shit, when we was back there, it was a little drive house for real. Baby do all the driving. Saying I be driving too.
And I got my hair done. I'm gonna show y'all that when I get out the car, if it ain't too dark. But y'all, alright, so let me tell y'all about the Lake Fest. Alright, so I grew up in this town. Or something like that. I don't really claim coming from there.
No, you from this town, you from TC.
No, I'm not.
She from the hood, y'all. She reppin' TC.
I'm from the country. Anyways, so Lake Fest is like a whole bunch of food vendors and people that like to sell stuff. Excuse me, y'all.
Hang out by the lake.
No, they be selling stuff. Yeah, they do that too. Yeah, and then alright. So when I was in school, Lake Fest was the biggest thing. It was the thing, y'all. It's that's all you talked about with your friends on the phone. So me and my cousins would, either sleep the night before at my grandma's house because she lived in town where the Lake Fest was held, or we would, all get up at grandma's house. I'm gonna have to edit that out. We always meet up at my grandma's house and we'll get together, do our hair, get cute, and then we'll walk down. And then we'll meet up with the little cliques that we hung out with in school and stuff like that, because that was the time to do that. Especially, we wasn't old enough to drive, so it's not like we could just up and just hang out with folks. So Lake Fest was alright, so the person, my besties, my clique, my group, whatever, I'm about to see them. I mean, it was something to do. And then we'll go back to my grandma's house and chill, because most of the time it'll rain, which we just went through the rain, so that's over with now. And it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, every time We used to come up here for the Lake Fest, man. We always had a good time, man. Like, I never really seen that many people. Like, I never thought that many people would be in this small little town, because it's a small town just like where I'm from. It might be just like a little bit more smaller, but like, man, they really show out, man. Like, a lot of people really come. A lot of people really come right here and have a good time, man. Fireworks.
See, it's like
you can rent a boat. What's that? It ain't Bug Island. What's the name of that?
I don't know.
That river right there. I don't know. But anyway, you know, just
and I lived in that town.
That's just how it be sometimes. Y'all gonna see, you know, what we talking about. Let me get down here.
We're just driving through the boondocks right now.
We're just driving through the boonies right now.
I was telling Babe earlier, I'm sorry to cut you off. Go ahead.
No, you good. You can go ahead and tell them. Because I wasn't going to say nothing, really.
Alright, so I was telling Babe earlier how my fingers hurt so bad from work. I want to show y'all so bad what my cuticles look like. Y'all comment down below and tell me what I should use to bring my cuticles back. Because they all cut up. You know, just look so ugly. Oh, God, somebody help me. Ugly, right? Okay. Them boxes. Them damn boxes.
I'm kind of hungry, y'all. It look right for my 420 class out there, my 420 people. We out of Virginia, so, you know, we 420 a lot, you know, we love. What's y'all munchy food, man? Let's talk about that munchy food. Me personally, I fuck with the Snickers. Fuck with the Hershey Kisses with the almond nuts in them. You know, them shits is pressure. Oh yeah, what's them shits we had the other day? The motherfucking
Honey Bun, Little Debbie.
Oh my God, Little Debbie came out with the bites. Them Honey Bun Joes, they alright. Look, that's my mom right there, just going down the road. Yeah, them Little Debbie Jones are alright though. They real good, man. Them Honey Bun Jones. Y'all gonna try them Jones. But yeah, man, what's y'all munchy food like, man? Like the chips, we be fucking with the Pringles and shit.
We like the ranch.
Yeah, the ranch something busting.
I like Slim Jims.
Comment below what y'all fuck with. Yeah, but
I don't do Slim Jims all the time. That's not my high munchy food. That's just something like if I see it and I'm like, I can munch on that.
Right, for that sweet, like that candy wise, them Starburst minis, them Jones pressure.
I like the Nerds,
the soft gummy ones type. Yeah.
And the Starburst ones too.
Yeah, they real good.
I love those. I can kill those in one sit.
Yeah. Sit back, popcorn, fried pork chop.
I always burn my popcorn. Also, who do y'all watch on YouTube mainly? Tag us in some videos or, you know.
No, tell them who you be watching. You be watching Red, Autumn.
I be watching Red, Lil Bit, Momo.
Hey, now what's my girl name, yo?
Momo.
I'm sorry, Momo. Hey, I fuck with you, yo. Hey, I like that intro song, though. I like that shit. That shit hard, though. I fuck with it, yo. Hey, yo, y'all funny as shit, though. The funniest shit, yo, like you said, you was like, yo.
The confessions.
I know. Yo, nah, yeah.
Or
I think
the
it was
truth
like,
or something.
Yeah,
oh,
the
no.
powder Jones. She said,
yeah,
how many times I got shot at? yeah. Like, I could just picture this. I could just picture this shit in my head, yo.
Well, you getting shot at.
I could just, like, yo, it's not funny. I'm not laughing, you know what I'm saying? It'd be funny, you know what I'm saying? But shit, yeah, I really, that shit really cracked me up, though. But I really do. I kind of fuck with y'all. I really fuck with y'all, though. Y'all cool, though.
I first seen Momo on TikTok, and then it's so crazy because Yep, and her girlfriend.
And her old lady.
And their kids. Because that little boy is hilarious because he sure enough snitched on you. I done watched a lot of y'all videos and he snitched on you hard. Like, when y'all went to the laundromat, alright, so Momo had took their son to the laundromat and she had changed her girlfriend's name and picture in the phone. So she had to call when the little boy got back in the car after going and playing, in the laundromat. So then she talking to her, on the slick, whatever. Little boy face is just like, I'm going down. And it was just so funny because it's like, that's kids for you.
That's definitely kids for you, man. Hey, shout out to them kids know how to hold water. Because you don't find too many of them these days.
Right.
Yeah, man. Y'all parents got to move smarter, man. Kids are telling you. Red a little bit. Yeah, we fuck with y'all too, though. Yeah, we fuck with y'all hard.
Congratulations on your engagement.
Yeah, congratulations.
And I guess at one point when Red was talking to her brother, I guess what she was looking for was, well, damn, about time. I mean, y'all been together forever. Like, when was you gonna pop the question? So I just gave that to you because everybody else was pretty much like, are you serious? Are you playing? This is a prank. But in all in all, that's what you needed to hear. And sometimes people just need to hear the truth. But, oh yeah, and I watched Zoe. But of course, everybody watched Zoe. It's a whole lot of.
It's a whole lot going on.
Green Giant. I know one thing. It feels like it's taking forever. I don't know what I'm gonna get from down there, but I know I'm gonna get something good because I feel like we deserve that.
Alright, I'm hungry too. It's been a long week at
work. We need some cash.
Dang.
No, they probably do take.
I hope they do take cars, but you already don't need other cash.
Yeah, because I don't want to be doing a whole lot of moving around.
Can't wait to get this.
Y'all, baby hating on me too. Baby hating on me because I had my yes, I wear rainbow because everybody do, or some people. I mean, if you bougie, that's cool. Kato's too. Anyways, so I had my earrings on. And he's gonna say with your fake earrings.
No, I was just playing. They looked good. Give me some earrings. I might get some earrings for real. I don't really be wearing earrings. I mean, I had both my ears for it. I don't really wear earrings like that, but I think I'm gonna start getting into that.
Another North Carolina.
Everybody come and see what this food about, man, because I'm hungry for real. I did eat a piece of chicken earlier from the hood stove. Shout out to Quick Shop with that fried chicken, man. You ever slide through the way? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get some fried chicken. See if it that vote. Yeah, man, but I'm hungry. I want some onions, some onions, green pepper, mushroom, or something like that.
Ain't nobody in my blind spot, no.
Something like that. Sounds good on it. Smoked sausage, dog. I ain't coming at sausage, dog. But, they be smelling good, though. Like that fair food. I ain't gonna lie. I should have seen what's up with the North Carolina State Fair, man.
Oh, man.
Because we could possibly hit that.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm going to check it out and find out.
Sure. We'll get some saving for that.
Alright. We'll go down there and eat some of that good food, man. You too. Some of that good food. Going to link up with us, man. Gonna be some of this good food.
But this time, I'm gonna be prepared.
Yeah.
Prepared.
For the excuse.
Right.
Excuse. Okay, we almost in town. Hopefully we ain't gotta walk too far. It's Friday, you know what that means. Saturday, man. Sunday tomorrow, rest day. Then we back at the grind.
All over again, like
all over again till Friday. Friday, we're gonna hit them with another one and another one.
Mm-hmm.
Next Friday, we're gonna, we're gonna do something. I don't know. I'm thinking we're doing on this food truck adventure for a little while.
Yeah, I like that.
We're doing this little food truck adventure for a little while.
And then what's so great about it is it's like a free advertisement if you think about it for like the truck, because like we're taking videos or whatever like that, eating the food in front of the place, and maybe even getting the person to talk a little bit about it.
Wow, damn, that's a nice dog. We didn't get up here too late.
Of course not. We're early. Too early, matter of fact.
Yeah, I already said we is probably a little too early.
But for the food, then we're like on time. Yeah.
Food line parking lot. Okay.
I ain't never seen that. But then again, I ain't been to Lake Fest in God knows how long.
Alright. I ain't been to Lake Fest in a long time, man. I used to love it.
Yeah. It used to be like, I gotta go. If I don't go, it's like, oh, you're killing me. Gotta go.
Killing me, Smalls.
Alright.
There's a lot of car action over there.
A whole lot of
car action going on. A lot of walking probably gonna be going
on. Too bad we can't turn the camera. Unless you want to stop it and do another one. Yeah, the camera.
That's over here.
So you guys, look, they got the helicopter. We doing helicopter rides. Yeah.
Sorry for the shakiness on the camera.
We're still trying to, learn the process of getting that camera right in the car so we can vlog more. It's all the process. I'm talking a lot, my bad. I want to say what I want to say, but I'm not going to say what I want to say. So.
We finna park.
Huh?
We finna park and get out.
Huh?
And walk.
Yeah, I know that. should park somewhere else. Like over there.
You can.
Okay. Good.
We finna get out and go.
Yeah, we good to get on the road? Okay. Is he going? Oh, I should have went. I had to right away. That was crazy. It's nice. Parking space. Okay, just am I supposed? Should I go back some more? Straight up.
And the whole bumper came on that car. God damn. Shit. They would have hit somebody's shit, man. They had to tear somebody's shit up.
I'm the best driver.
Wah, wah. Okay, white lady. With the tight pants on.
And she owed him. Oh, baby, she owed. That's
Oh,
probably her. I'm glad I pulled into what I did because one thing you know for sure.
Yo, I know for sure I didn't leave my shoes in the car. Like,
oh my God. Yes.
Don't care.
Walk it out.
I don't care.
Alright, so give me some of that
That's
until we
fine.
find something else to drink.
Well, left my shoes.
It was a team.
On that motherfucking gas. Trying to be on that gas. I be forgetting sometimes. You know I love your mom.
Alright, that's good.
Shout out to the doctor, probably.
Oh. It ain't got that bite like it used to, though.
No, I think too much ice. That's a little too much ice.
Yeah, it's probably so. Yeah.
That's all right. Take good to me. You see my top, sweetheart? Nope, you know what I'm talking about.
Probably.
Shout out to the person who always keep on leaving stuff in the car.
He'll lose his head if it wasn't connected.
I want to get out just in a second.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not taking my drink because I don't want to tote it.
So this what we got, a fully loaded burrito off that food truck. First impression. Look pretty good.
You want to try on?
Damn good.
Or the flash.
Yeah, that's fine. Damn good. So we're about to get into this, so give me 1 second, YouTube. Alright, so.
Do your thumbnail, baby.
Oh, yeah, I did. I did good though. Yeah.
Oh, we can do another one.
Alright, so this how, like, what, first time eating today? Here it is, 7 p.m. So, you know, we ready to eat something else. And, what we did is got one meal, split it. We got one meal, split it, came with this little sauce. So we got some little sauce. We're gonna try it out. Looks pretty good. But this is our first time eating, like I said, so you will be seeing us eat again on this one video. You will just like eating hungry as I don't wanna say. Might be kids watching. Just know it's going down.
Oh, and look at my drink.
Oh yeah. Yo, that was real good. What is that? Old time?
Mm-hmm. Old time.
Oh.
Hold on, let me try this one more time. Yeah. I just don't like my shape. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. First taste.
You tried it without the sauce?
Yeah, without the sauce and without the paper that I bit. I'm gonna see that. Without the sauce, pretty good. Pretty good.
I'm a slow eater.
That's hard. For $9, full size burrito, good size.
Sure, big is. Hot sausage.
Ladies.
I ain't even dip it. Since you tried that one, I'm gonna try this one. Smell a little vinegary. Got a little vinegar in this one. Or Italian dressing.
That feels spicy as hell.
The green sauce pretty good.
Don't put a lot, just look.
Time for that orange sauce. I don't talk much while I eat, y'all.
When y'all go out and eat,
Yeah, that's just spicy as hell. Damn.
it hits you like, it hit the crack of my lip.
Immediately.
So like, alright, do y'all know exactly what y'all want before y'all leave the house, or is it more so like a, I'ma just try something new?
Right now we're on this food truck movement. If you're in the Carolinas or Virginia area, and you know any good food truck spots, let us know in the comments, man. We'll pull up. We'll do a review on it, you know what I'm saying? We'll pull up, get it on film, put it out there, let the people know what we think about it. And we'll do the same. We'll do some reruns of some good spots we done been to. Try to get y'all some footage of that. Really new, we new to this, so we just trying to figure out a way, find our way, you know what I'm saying? But this is what we doing right now. It's alright. It's alright.
I like the cheese.
I like this little green sauce though.
Even though this red sauce, this orange sauce is like spicy as fuck, it kind of like caught me.
I taste that cilantro in the green, so. we can come in here and take over their little business.
That's enough of that.
It's so hot, right?
Try to hit it again so I can like. Try some blue.
You better try some out, man.
Don't get me wrong, it was good.
It was alright. I kind of feel the same way. Kind of done.
I'm remember this right
We
now.
ain't clean it. We ain't swipe it all the way out.
And it could be from the fact that we hadn't ate all day. But then again, we hungry. So, is this one mine or yours? This one mine.
It's yours.
Okay. On to the next.
Yeah, it was alright. It was alright. So with that being said,
We'll see you.
not again.
We'll see you at the next spot.
It won't be that spot no more.
Thank you.
Alright, so we got chicken quay, chopped chicken barbecue, man. Follow us on Facebook.
First, next, there's a bag of crinkle fries with a scoop of chicken cube topped with melted cheddar. Oh, that what? Simple file.
Then they got some more stuff right here. Yeah. Hey, this ain't the place that had that barbecue plate, did it? No?
I don't know.
Simple file.
Well, it's not the barbecue. They just got it. Look, yes, it is because it's most popular. That's the fries with the barbecue and the.
Yeah, that's all I want.
That's alright. Get that. Yeah.
Oh no, you hold on, babe. No, I'm talking about. You can go ahead and order yours. You can go ahead and order yours, babe. You go ahead and order yours.
I'm gonna get the. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna get.
All right. Well, this is the official jump. Sorry for the dimness. It got a little dark. Been on a little ride. Man, alright. So we finally found a little spot that we just
More of our.
taste, more of a, legit eating. Cause I don't know what that last stuff was. But chicken quay. Chicken quay. I messed up names. Y'all gonna understand that. Chopped chicken barbecue, man. That's what we rocking with. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so first we're gonna show the first plate. Go ahead, baby. You got this. Yeah, exactly. I'm trying to do too much.
Alright, this what baby got. Bird nest. Please, man, look good, smell good, everything hot. You can feel the heat coming off of it. Man, nice size too. Nice size plate. Bird nest. Keep that in mind. And you know me, Southern style. Some just a dinner plate. What was it? Some type of choice. Dinner choice.
Dinner plate with two sides.
Yeah. The pulled chicken, coleslaw, baked beans, macaroni and cheese. Looks pretty good, man. And this one gonna be a good review right here.
You wanna pause it?
I'll just stick it back right here.
And we also got Pepsi, y'all. We like sodas. They got a little bite to it. Look. And I don't know why I was getting ready to ask for a damn ice cup. Normally you be drinking your damn drinks up.
Here you go, baby.
I don't know why I drank that like I ain't got to pee.
Oh yeah, we in the parking lot. They actually having drive-through movies.
But we're not watching it. I thought it was a scary movie. The movie Black Widow. I'm scared it's gonna fall.
What, the soda?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I was gonna pour it in that cup at first. So y'all, I can't wait to eat this bird's nest. Oh, that made it work.
That's better than one. That's better.
Alright, babe, you eat yours first.
Alright, man, macaroni. Ooh, first impression, that macaroni like it came out the oven.
Hold on.
Too bad it's not daytime.
I know. This video don't do it no justice.
Damn. It's that black folk macaroni and cheese. Now it's a racist thing, but if you done ate macaroni and cheese, you know black folk macaroni and cheese. We're gonna call a spade a spade.
Try your baked beans, because it's not good.
That's what the city is talking about starting at 7 o'clock. I'm broadcasting live from ATL, ANTA, all the way to York City.
How special?
Listeners, I wouldn't even have a job.
Alright, now, I'm getting ready to taste that mine.
At 7 o'clock and vibe with the best listeners on the radio.
Yeah, you gonna fuck with that.
Yeah. Alright, so I had a taste for chili cheese fries anyway, so I got my cheese fries. So that's all I got.
Well, it's loaded cheese fries.
Yo, I'm fine.
I ain't even gonna lie, I'm pretty pleased with this. We should have came here first.
Yeah, got fine. Only got salt on the fries, too, not too much. I'm sweating off.
Try with that chicken on it.
Chicken got a little sweet turn to it. But that's how barbecue is anyway.
Topics relevant to our community and listeners, provides information to help you grow, start a business, reach financial goals, and deal with issues plaguing our community. Triangle Empower.
Ready to see how this goes. I will say they could throw extra roll on them.
Just see it. That would be good.
Cause I can use a half a loaf of. It's a lot of meat. I need about a half a loaf bread. Outside of that, I'm more pleased with the first bite of food we had today.
Yeah, that's disappointing.
Discounts are great on pizza, groceries, clothes. But when you see a discount on LASIK, you're skeptical. That's because we've been trained to think that anything that makes your life better has to be expensive.
That's a good coleslaw.
At the LASIK Vision Institute, it's just not true. We're able to
it's a
provide
little wet.
amazing discounts and affordable financing.
That's what he said.
That's what I be like.
LASIK is all we do. So don't be skeptical. Be excited about a life
A lot
of
of
new
meat.
vision from the experts in LASIK.
That's what she
Right
said.
now, at the LASIK Vision Institute, we're offering $1,000 off our Wavelight laser if you're treated in July. That's $500 off.
We'll be back.
Plus, take advantage of our guaranteed financing. Go to LASIK.com to see if LASIK is right for you. The LASIK Vision Institute.
So
Amazing vision, amazing price. Must mention this promotion of
we'll go ahead and
2021 to qualify. $1,000 off for both eyes on standard Wavelight price. $500 off for one eye.
pretty good, man. I ain't gonna lie.
See details at
Pretty good. Look how cheese she is. This got chicken all over it.
I wish we had enough light to like justify. You know, with the camera, that's the whole point of the camera.
What about my sister Leah?
Yeah.
Her too.
Sorry for the light. My
Branches of the military, veterans,
LED
and
light
their families.
was dead,
My dog is a retired military working dog.
unfortunately.
Files.
But
Find out if you're eligible at Navy Federal.
I give this This spot right here, thumbs up, man. I think I'll try this again.
I will too.
You ever in Raleigh, North Carolina, man, pull up
To the Triangle Mall.
to the Triangle Mall. They be posted up right here. What is it? Chicken
Q.
Chicken Q. You get straight, man. And once you do that, you come back to this video. Let us know how your experience was. Some type of feedback. If you didn't like it, you can let us know that too. We take good and bad comments. That's what helps people grow. That's what we're here to do.
And let me know.
We can grow together with you.
And let them know we sent you. They don't know us yet, but they gonna know it.
With that be saying, peace out. Stay blessed. Love is love. But God first.